Hello, everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel where we guide you through the professional care of your natural hair. In today's video, we are diving into how to professionally clarify your hair. You may wonder, what is clarifying and why is it important? Clarifying is essential to remove buildup, restore your hair's natural shine and volume, and balance its pH. If you skip this step, your hair can end up looking dull, flat, and lifeless. In regions where braids are a popular protective style, it is commonly used to style these braids using gels, jams, and waxes, and these can lead to heavy buildup, especially if the braids are kept in for an extended period. You are tempted to use raw oils, raw butters, or what they call air food in the region of Africa where I live. After taking down these braids, it is crucial to clarify your hair to remove excess oils, product residues, and environmental buildup. This will leave your hair clean and refreshed. For this process, you will be needing the following: curl clips, tail combing if you require it, Rootless clarifying shampoo, water, and gentle fingers. In this video, I'm also guiding my students or assistants, showing her how to do this process properly without cutting corners. So I have chosen not to include a voiceover, but leave it the way I was communicating with her or to her. So let me know if you like this type of video, right? Or let us know, if you like this type of video as opposed to a video where there is a voice over it, right? Once you finish watching this video, please do not forget to like, to share, to comment, and to subscribe. Let us get started. Go close to it so that it does not waste. Yes. Yes. Like that. Yes. And don't forget that you gather it from the tips. Yes. Tips. Yes. Like that. And you work it same way you are applying your conditioner. Yeah. Same way. Same way. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Like that. So I'm going to give it you. Do after you. So let me come outside. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, start. That's fine. So let me just look at this one in my hands. So I just treat one side there. So let me show you one side, man. Let me show you one side. See they do that? So see, I'm going to work my shampoo like this, right? So we're applying the clarifying shampoo. If I was on the clarifying shampoo, I need to remove buildup of oils, butters from your hair so that I can see your hair the way God created it. You understand? It needs to be bare from any oil and butter. You understand? So it removes everything, yes, everything, yes, yeah. So it strips it out, like everything. Yeah, so you see how I'm smoothing my hair, eh? You need to like smooth it, so remove like everything from the hair, like that. So sometimes what you can do is you can put some clarifying shampoo in a bowl like this, eh? So that when your stuff is finished, you don't keep pumping. You just like trickle water like this, trickle water like that, right? Then you take this one. So when I start here, you see, I'm starting from that center line, eh? Yeah. So you can just see, can actually trade a bit. Are you comfortable? Are you good? Okay, cool. I can feel what it does. Does, yes. So I get to get all this build up. So you see it's still a bit dryish. I'll trickle some water. You see, anytime you feel it's dry, you trickle water, right? Because that means it's still oily. Do you see? So you're gonna go like that. So once I'm done, I'm going to come to this position now. I'm going to trickle water again here. You see that? Can you see how oily it is, right? Yeah. You see, so I can just go like that. You see, like this. I'm going to apply now. You see, it's getting better. Can you see how soft it is now? Yes. Yeah. So you feel the hair. If it's feeling dryish, you smooth, you remove with water, right? You remove with water, and then you just take a bit of your product again and you apply. So you see now, I'm going to open. And I'm opening, you see, I smooth here first. I smooth it first. I'm going to open like this. Are you comfortable? Are you good? Okay, cool. You see there? I stretch it out. I come again. So if it's too dry, what I do? I trickle water. Trickle water. Take a bit of shampoo, right? I apply, and then I go like that. So you don't waste products. Like all your products, you must be intentional on how you use your product, right? Don't waste, because good products are expensive. So you need to like use it like wisely and very well. You get yes. So you can see when you stretch your hair, you can see how it's all going to stretch up to the sky. You get, so you see, I'm gonna hold like that. I'm gonna come on my next section now. I'm going to trickle some water and I'm going to open this up like this. I need my parts to be very clean so that I can be able to open the hair nicely. So you see, I'm also smooth here. So you see, I'm going to open like that. You see that I'm going to massage like this. You see, I'm opening my lines, right? You see, make sure you can see the scalp. You need to be able to see the scalp to do your cleaning of your scalp. Because the reason why we're washing like this is because you see, like in Africa, like we keep hair for a very long time. Do you understand? So we need to like make sure that all the scalp is washed, every debris is removed from the scalp. You know what I'm saying? So it keeps it for a long time. You see, I'm smoothing the hair. I'm smoothing it. To make sure you smooth it, you want to make sure that you're smoothing this hair properly. Proper. You're smoothing it.
It feels like my scalp is open.
Open your, yeah. So you see, yeah. Because you see, you need to remove like all that buildup from the hair. Because a lot of gels they be using for the braids and that kind of thing. Yeah. So
it's like it's breathing.
Yes. Yeah. So yes. Now I'm going to go to the back. So I'm gonna wash one back for you, and I'm going to try to do the rest. So wash. Which side are you comfortable with? This side or this side? This side. Touch your head and first. Let me wash this side. So because her hair is a lot, you can say, "Ma'am, please lift up your head for me." So she lifts up her head like this. Right? Yes. Comfortable. You ask if her neck is comfortable. You open up the scalp like this so you can see nicely, right? You open it up like that so you can see properly, and then you apply like that. So if that place is dry, you can just put water like in your sink. You can brush your sink with the water. So yes, let's do this. So next I'm gonna just bring two bowls so that you can put the cleats in one. And yeah, so you can put your sink water like this in your sink, right? So yeah, do like that, and then you see I'm taking small the whole time, right? And then I'm going to come like this. You see like this. Eh? I'm going to go all the way down, and I'm going to work a scalp like that. If it's too dry, I just take a bit more. You see, I do that. You see, you don't waste a lot of products. You see, really this. How are you, Madam Shalene?
Yes, good.
How are you, lady? How are you, Sister Shalene?
A beautiful lady.
Eh?
A beautiful lady.
You can unpack. Yes.
Hi, girl. Why you opening being so? How are you?
You look like a rich madam.
You do.
So I received the rich part of the madam. So it's like I'm good.
Well, okay.
You're feeling good? You're getting all the spoils. Rita is doing the things.
Rita is doing the things.
Making the magic.
You're making the magic.
That is medium thick density. So you see like this, you see everything was nice and flat. So once it's nice and flat, Then you are going to open up your sink. So remember, don't forget, open up your sink. So always remove your clips from the sink so that there's space for you to work with. You understand? Yeah, because if not, then you're going to be obstructing you. So you remove this from the sink. You put this like this. You also remove this. Make sure that you also remove the hair from your sink, because the more you put hair in here, the more that you can block your sink. And you don't want your sink to get blocked. So okay, sure, cool. Yeah, you can just keep it there. Yeah, nice. So you're going to so when she's done, you are then going to rinse. So rinse. Let me show you how to rinse first of all. So you're going to rinse like this. So see, are you comfortable? I did. Is it okay? What's all good? Mouth okay?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So you see how what I'm rinsing? So don't rub your hair. Don't rub it. When you rub it, you're gonna make it freezing. So you literally need to do like this. So you see, we're going to come like that. And then we're going to come like this as well. So never squeeze your hair like that. It makes it freezing. So you just leave, because you smooth all the cuticles, it's easy for your hair for you to rinse out the shampoo. The shampoo goes off easily because you smooth the cuticles. So you see,